Hello everyone. I hope you've mastered data types from our last lesson. Today we're zooming in on one specific category, Python numbers. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float, and complex. Variables of these types are created when you assign a value to them. Int, or integer, is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. Let's verify their type. Float, or floating point number, is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. Floats can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. This is useful for very large or small numbers. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. Python handles these natively. You can convert from one type to another using the int, float, and complex methods. But note, you cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. Python doesn't have a random function, but it has a built-in module called random. Import it to generate random numbers. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm. Convert the integer 5 to a float, and convert 3.8 to an integer. Then print a random number between 1 and 100. 10 seconds. Go. Did you get it? 5 becomes 5.0, 3.8 becomes 3, and the random number could be anything. Great job. That's it for numbers. Please subscribe to our channel and leave your feedback in the comments. Join me in the next episode titled Python Casting. See you then.